Good morning, dear students. बच्चे, yesterday I was teaching you active passive voice. Okay, so I have taught you simple rules of present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite, and I have given you 10 sentences related to that also. Okay, so we will do further. In this term, you have only simple active passive voice. So I will make you revise only simple active passive voice, but I am telling you the rules in this way so that at a glance, if you look at all the rules, so you will be able to revise it thoroughly. Okay, it will save your time if you are attentive in my class. So present, past, and future indefinite was clear to you yesterday. Did you face any kind of difficulty in that? Only keep your mind present, listen to the explanation of the teacher very, very carefully. Now I'm going to do further. Okay. Now I will be taking continuous. See, I will be telling you the rule of present continuous and past continuous. So all of you write down. Very simple active passive will be asked. So don't get confused. Do it very carefully. Now try to recall the rule of present continuous tense. Try to recall the rule of present continuous. What is used in present continuous? Yes, is MR plus verb first form plus ing. And past continuous was verb plus verb first form plus ing. So these are the rules that you have to keep in your mind. And when it is given in active voice and we change into passive voice, then what it becomes? Is MR was were. What it will become? Is MR will be written as it is. Is MR was were will be written as it is. But when ing is given to you, in place of ing, what will be written? Being. B-E-I-N-G. Don't get confused between been and being. Been is a different thing and being is used in place of ing. Been I will be telling you afterwards. But don't get confused in between two. So being should be there, B-E-I-N-G. Clear, bachche? So is, MR, was, were, being plus third form plus one. Clear? Is, MR, was, were plus third form plus by. Am I clear, bachche? Clear? So keep this rule in your mind. Afterwards, I am going to give you sentences. You solve it. Okay? Is, MR, was, were plus being plus third form plus by. Now write down sentences. And next we have future continuous. This sentence will not be asked because future continuous will not change. Because it is already in passive voice. For example, we shall be learning. So it is already in passive. They will be guiding us. It is already in passive. Okay. So you have to revise only present continuous and past continuous. Now write down the sentences related to that. Revise this rule thoroughly. Revise the rule thoroughly. Hurry up. This rule should be very much clear and you all should be very much eager to tell me the correct answer. Side by side you solve it. So बच्चे try to solve these sentences, and online students they can try type in chat box, and offline all should be ready. Yes, I'm getting a side. Jot down all these sentences and start solving it. Hurry up. I am reading Hamlet. I am reading Hamlet. Yes, you tell me, Satvik. Being read. It is written read, but pronunciation will be read. Why so? Because it is third form. Read, read, read. Spellings are same, but pronunciation change. I am reading Hamlet. So what will be its answer? Yes, Hamlet is being, yes, being, Hamlet is being read by me. Clear? So next, you are solving sums. You are solving sums. Lakshay. Very, very good. Sums are being solved by you. Bache, you are doing this active passive first time because in 7th it was introduced, okay, in PT2. But it is going to be repeated in 8th class, 9th class, and 10th class. In every class, it will be repeated. Okay, so this is your base. Do it very, very carefully. If your foundation, your base will be strong, there will be no difficulty in future. Okay, so after that, she is cooking food. From online students, offline, all are raising hands. I'm really happy with their performance. So from online, I just want to ask Samriddhi. Yes, Samriddhi, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. The food is being cooked by her.
Sorry.
Food is being cooked by her.
Food is being cooked by
Her.
Very good. Good, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
So she is cooking food. Food is being cooked by her. Food is being cooked by her. Clear? I was right now. These three sentences I have given you of present. These three sentences I have given you of present. Now next three I have taken of past. Okay. So past. Yes, बच्चे, you tell me. Being कहाँ पे लगाओगे? Yes, a letter was. Being will be written where? Where will you write down being? After is, am, are, was, were. I have told you. After is, am, are, was, were, you are supposed to write down being. Now tell me. Yes, a letter was being written by me. A letter was being written by me. Clear? Very good. Good response. Now your performance is improving. You are attentive in my class. That's good. You can sit here. Your name is Prabsharan? Prabnoor Singh. Now your performance is improving. I'm really happy with you. Come here. Now Mittul, you tell me next. He was eating food. तो क्यों लग जाएगा? Food. Very good. Food was being eaten by him. Food was being eaten by him. Food was being eaten by him. Mithul, when I used to ask you in online classes, at that time, sometimes you were not responding. You were not keeping yourself unmute. What was the reason for that? Tell me. It happened so many times, I noticed. It happened so many times. The cat was drinking milk. Yes, from online class, I'm going to ask. From online students, I'm going to ask. Aryan. Aryan also never gives response in class. Aryan. Aryan, you tell me last answer. Yes, Aryan. Yes, Aryan. Aryan will be marked absent because he never gives response. Aryan, today you are supposed to talk to me. Your parents should talk to me because I never found giving answer in my class. Never. Whenever I tell you to give me answer, you never keep yourself unmute and tell me answer. Aryan, keep your camera on. Aryan Kareer, roll number 9. Keep your camera on. Hurry up. You never gives response in class. You have never given. Huh? Keep yourself unmute. Keep your video on.
Can I tell?
Aryan will tell. Aryan. Today I should talk to his parents. Shreya, you tell me. Yes, Shreya. You tell me last answer. Unmute yourself. Your voice is not audible. Voice is not audible. Yes, now speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me last answer.
मैम मेरे को बहुत क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा.
Now see.
The
cat was drinking milk.
He was eating food. He was eating food while being
Ma'am, he was eating food. Food were being eaten by him.
Bache, I'm asking about sixth, last one. The cat was drinking milk.
The cat was.
Tell me its answer. Cat was drinking milk.
The cat was. The cat. The cat is drinking milk.
What is object here? The cat was drinking milk. What is object?
Pass. Continue. Ma'am, milk.
Milk. So with milk, you will use was or were?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you use? Was or were?
Ma'am, well.
Milk ज्यादा है, plural है.
No, ma'am.
Then was or were?
Was.
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 Milk was. After was, you will use what? I have told you here. After was being. Tell me. Okay, milk was.
Milk was drinking. Milk was
Being. With was or were, after was and were, you will be adding being.
being.
Milk was being. What will be the third form of drink? Third form of drink.
Drink.
Drink, drank.
Drinking. Drinking.
Drink, drank, drunk. What will be the third form? Drink,
Drink. Drank.
drink, drank, drunk. Milk was being
in 1845
drunk by the
reason. First of all, तो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने व्यूज ही नहीं दे रहा था. सेकंड, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने हाई फोर्स दे दी थी कुछ को. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी को फॉलो किया था. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने लोग.
What kind of noise is there? You are attending class and in such kind of noise, can you attend the class? TV is on.
Ma'am, no, TV is not on. Ma'am, my sister doing class.
So you both are taking class in one room.
मैम नो मी सिक्स्थ की क्लास दूसरे रूम में. सो मैम उसकी वॉइस आ रही है.
Okay. So the cat was drinking milk. Milk was being drunk by the cat. So this was all about present tense, continuous tense and past continuous tense. Ismar was were. Clear?
आपको सारी ऑप्शंस में पढ़ना.
Now I'm going to tell you next rule. Write down this. This is the last rule of your syllabus. Only these basic rules you are supposed to do. Okay? See, suppose you have been given present perfect tense, or you can say past perfect tense. In present perfect tense, what do we use? Has and have. And in past perfect, what do we use? Had. With both, what do we use? Third form. With has and have we use third form. With had also we use third form. But when this changes into passive voice, so what will become now? Has and have. With that. In singular, you will be using has. With plural, you will be using have. With that, you will be using been. I told you earlier that I would be telling you the meaning of been. Being and been, both are different things. In place of ing, we put being. But with has, have, we write down been. Clear? So same like that, if in active voice had plus third form is given, then you will be using had, been plus verb third. Okay, so has have third form, has have been third form, had plus third form, had been plus third form. Clear? I just give you one example. For example, she has completed her notebook. So what is object here? Notebook. What is subject here? She. So she will change into her. It will become object here, and this object will become subject here. Her notebook. First of all, whenever active passive voice come, you do this thing. Make subject into object, and object should be changed into subject. She should be changed into her. Suppose I is given, I will be changed into me. You will change into, he will change into, she will change into, you will change into, you. They will change into, it will change into, yes, very good. So she will become her, and her notebook will become her notebook. Here object will be subject. So here has completed, it means this rule is given. Has completed. So what we have to do? We have to write down been along with that. Okay. So her notebook is singular or plural? So with the singular, we will be using has or have? Has. Her notebook has been completed by her. So this is the way to do, to change active into passive. Clear? So write down afterwards. I am giving you sentences related to present and past perfect tense. Jot down this rule. Now write down, and side by side you solve it also. Okay, बच्चे? Okay, now start solving. Who is going to tell me this answer? Someone has stolen my purse. From online students, raise your hands. You should be ready to give answer. Hurry up. I can ask any of the child. Try to solve it. Yes, second boy, you tell me. Someone has stolen my purse. Stolen by सामने तो लिखा हुआ बच्चे, क्यों इतना सोच रहे हो? Yes, good. So its answer will be, my purse is the object here. My purse has been stolen by someone. My purse has been stolen by someone. Sita has solved the sums. Sita has solved the sums. Yes, Prabnoor? Bache, your answer is right, but there is only one mistake and you will correct it. You have spoken the sums. I'm writing your answer, what you have written. The sums has been solved by Sita. You have told me this answer. Now tell me, sums is singular or plural? Sums is this sums. S is given. So it is singular or plural? Plural. So with plural we use has or have. Have. So what will come here? Yes. Because sums is a plural and with plural we will be using have. Otherwise your answer was correct. Good. There is lot of improvement in you. Good. Keep it up. Yes, you tell me. He has completed his homework. See, you are speaking homework. Yes. Homework has been completed. You speak your answer. Homework has been completed by him. Okay, bache, you have told me this answer. In your answer, there is one mistake. What is object here? He has completed his homework. Yes, his homework is object. So what you will add here? Yes, his homework. So his homework has been completed by him. Clear, beta? Good, very good. Now from online, we have played hockey. We have played hockey. Ashima, you tell me. Ashima, we have played hockey. Ashima, unmute yourself and tell me this answer. Ashima is not responding. It means rule is not clear to her. Akshita Saini.
Yes,
Akshita.
ma'am.
Yes, bache, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
We have played hockey.
Hockey has been played by us.
Hockey has been played by us. Okay, good. So hockey has been played by us. So this rule is clear. This rule is clear to you.
Means a formal way of communication. Second, to the feeling of oneness as your
Vài cái tôi nãy đi nó buồn đi cái vài cái buồn đó vậy.
Achha, after giving answer, na, you should keep your mics mute. It creates a lot of disturbance. So these were the sentences of present perfect. Now I'm going to give you some of the sentences of past perfect. Past perfect. We had not taught you. Now change into passive. We had not taught you. Change into passive. We had not taught you. Yes, this girl. We had not taught you. You had taught by us. Now, what is the mistake here? You had been not will not come. What will be the right? You had not been taught. Not will come in between had and been. Okay? You had not been. They had finished their work. Yes, very good. Their work had been finished by them. Their work had been finished by them. Bache, revise all these active passive voice that we have done yesterday and today. Revise it thoroughly. Okay, only these much you have to revise, only these rules. Okay.